We decided to create these workshops called Digital Stories Lab Media and Democracy to try to find new ways of storytelling about challenges of contemporary world.
Digital Stories Lab, I think, is a good kickoff in the direction of moving towards practicing storytelling. So we had a lot of work doing concepts, and now I feel pretty much everybody involved is ready to move on to the step of really prototyping and eventually developing and producing projects.
In the groups, we're working on different perspectives and aspects and new medias, that how we can use them and how we can tell our stories.
Yeah, the idea of the Stories Lab is really great actually, because a lot of people from everywhere dealing with same topics like storytelling, new media technology.
I thought it was really helpful, not just the lectures, but working together with other people, because I was always interested in digital storytelling, but my background is in film, so I didn't have much previous experience, but it was quite easy to understand and engage with, and I learned a lot.
Well, I mean, it was really intense, 2.5 days, but I feel really good after it. I mean, it was a perfect experience. It was exactly what I needed, this kind of, people from different backgrounds coming together and like really creating something meaningful together.